Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And in the morning, we would say, Good morning, 早早, Ohayo, 早安。
按早。
Oh, is that how you say it in Hakka? That's how you say good morning in Hakka. 按早就是早安好那样子。
对啊，按早，按威早。
按早。Okay, that's again how you say good morning in Hakka, and that's what we're going to teach you today. Things associated with the morning time. 我们就教大家有关于早晨、早上会碰到的一些事情。
好，要早起，
然后跟早有关系。
Okay.
好不好？哎，早起真的是一件很健康的事情。
对。
哦，好 ，How do you say getting up early？ 早起。
做烘。
啊，做烘。哦，做烘 that's getting up early。那我们讲所谓的早晨 morning time 这怎么说呢？
早晨。
早晨 ，OK, that's morning 就是一个早上早晨的时候，就是早晨。And finally, you have to have your breakfast when you wake up in the morning. OK, 其实大家都会强调，会提醒大家，三餐里面最重要的就是
早餐。
对 ，the most important meal of the day is breakfast. So we must teach you how to say breakfast. 早餐。
食早。
哦，食早。这以前有教过吗？就是有早餐、午餐、晚餐，就会食早、
食
猪、食鸭。对，没错。
那食早是食蟹，海陆腔食早。
哦，好燥的感觉哦。好，食燥。Okay, that's a different dialect for eating breakfast. Let's go ahead and remind you again to eat breakfast every day, every morning. So let's teach you how to say 每天都应该吃早餐，怎么说呢？
当日都应该爱食早。
当日就是当日啦，哈，
每天
都应该，
就是都应该
啊 ，you must
爱食早。
爱吃早 ，that means eating breakfast.
对
OK, 我全部把它念一次。
OK.
当日都应该爱吃早。
Yes.
So must have your breakfast. Let's review all these terms. Waking up early, 早起。
做烘。
做烘，你都几点起床？
我7点、8点，
那真的是做烘 ，OK. And then the morning 早晨。
早晨。
早晨 and finally breakfast 早餐。
食早。
食早就是吃早餐的意思。
对。
好 ，There you have it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.